okay. Hell of the one that got away. It's alright. It's okay. One hell of the one that got away. It's alright. It's okay. My heart aching, my arms.
Service. The final tab that we will look at is the Chat tab. Now, as I said earlier, this is Restream's solution for gathering all of your chat windows from all the different platforms that you're going to be streaming to into one. This way you can make sure that you don't miss any viewers who are chatting to you, and you can interact with them back no matter which streaming platform they are watching on. Restream have also made it incredibly easy to include this multi-chat window into your stream with OBS or Streamlabs OBS. So if you want your viewers to be able to see the chat that's coming from all your different streaming platforms, you can include it quite easily. There are two different options for the chat application. There's a web chat version that runs in your browser, or there's an application that you can download for PC or for Mac. Firstly, we'll look at the web chat version. You can see here it shows you a preview of what your chat will look like, along with some example messages from multiple platforms. Each message will show an icon of the platform, the chatting user's username on that platform, as well as their message and the time of the message. On the right here, you can change the theme between a few different options, so have a play around, see which one you like the look of. Next, you can change if you want new messages to show at the bottom or at the top of the chat window. You also have a couple of options here to alter the opacity of both the message background and the chat background as a whole, and you can change exactly how large the text and the chat window is by adjusting the scale here. Finally, you can choose to hide messages after a number of seconds, so this is use Stream key and copy. Then we'll head into our streaming software. I'm going to show you both OBS and Streamlabs OBS quickly, since they're exactly the same. So we start by going to Settings, then the Stream tab, and under Service we will select Restream.io. For the server, we're going to choose the same server that we just selected in the dashboard, and then finally we are going to paste in our Stream key. In Slobs, it's the exact same process. Go to Settings, Stream, select Restream.io, choose the server, and paste the Stream key. One final thing that we need to do if you're using OBS or Streamlabs OBS is to fix a little issue which currently exists that one of the Restream engineers has told me about for best results. So go back into your settings and select the Output tab. If your current output mode is set to simple, we need to make a quick note of these two settings here, our bitrate and our encoder. Now we can change the Stream tab, and under Service we will select Restream.io. For the server, we're going to choose the same server that we just selected in the dashboard, and then finally we are going to paste in our stream key. In Slobs, it's the exact same process. Go to Settings, Stream, select Restream.io, choose the server, and paste the stream key. One final thing that we need to do if you're using OBS or Streamlabs OBS is to fix a little issue which currently exists that one of the Restream engineers has told me about for best results. So go back into your settings and select the Output tab. If your current output mode is set to simple, we need to make a quick note of these two settings here, our bitrate and our encoder. Now we can change the output mode to Advanced, as we need to disable an option in here. First, let's set our encoder and our bitrate back to what we just noted down from the Simple tab. Next, we want to uncheck this box, Enforce Streaming Service Encoder Settings. We'll then set our keyframe interval to 2 and change our profile to main. I know this sounds complex and I haven't really explained what these settings do, but it's just really an issue with how OBS and Streamlabs OBS are enforcing the Restream encoder settings wrongly. Just to reiterate, I'll do it in Streamlabs OBS as well. Go to Settings, to the Output tab, change to Advanced, uncheck this box, set this to 2, and set this to main, and then make sure that our encoder and our bitrate are the same as what they were when we were on the simple output mode. Now technically we have done everything that we need to do to go live on multiple platforms using Restream, but there are a couple of other features I want to talk about before we do. Back on the Restream.
Just in time for the holidays. Xbox One now $100 off. $100